Welcome to BellyBreath. This meditation is designed to support you on your journey to healing from childhood trauma. Through this gentle, nurturing experience, we aim to revisit our past with compassion, acknowledging the parts of ourselves that still carry burdens of fear and pain. By doing so, we can release these burdens, transform our inner stories, and embrace the present with newfound strength and optimism. Simply listen to my voice and let it guide you. Trust that you are safe here, and know that this experience will help you gain a deeper understanding of yourself in ways you haven't realized before. Start by finding a comfortable position and settling into a place where you feel at ease. Once you're settled, gently close your eyes. As you do, notice a sense of calm washing over you, a feeling that has been waiting for this moment to arrive. Take a deep breath through your nose, filling your lungs, and slowly exhale through your mouth. With each breath, imagine releasing any tension or stress lingering in your body. Breathing deeply helps us manage our emotions constructively and navigate even the toughest situations with greater ease. Regular practice of deep breathing allows you to collect your thoughts, manage anxieties, and channel any negative feelings through your breath. It's a powerful tool for maintaining emotional balance. Think back to when you were born, full of wonder and curiosity, yet with a natural sense of vulnerability. As a child, you depended on those around you to meet your needs. If you were fortunate, you had people in your life who cared for you and made you feel safe and cherished. But if your circumstances were less fortunate, it's important to recognize any trauma you experienced due to a lack of love and protection. Understand that this was not a reflection of who you were or who you are. It was a failure of those who should have been there for you. As children, we don't always understand how we are meant to be treated. We accept the world around us as it is presented. When we experience hurt, neglect, or abuse as children, we often internalize these experiences as our perceived truth, leading to unhealthy patterns and beliefs that follow us into adulthood. You may have sought out situations that confirmed these early beliefs, leading to unhealthy relationships or self-doubt. It's crucial to recognize that none of this started with you. You were a child, born into circumstances beyond your control, among people who might not have been able to provide the care you deserved. You were born a child of wonder, placed into challenging circumstances through no fault of your own. For years, you may have questioned yourself, believing there was something inherently wrong with you. But the truth is, it was never about you. It was never your fault. You were always that child of wonder, simply caught in circumstances beyond your control. You deserved love, care, compassion, kindness, nurture, and safety. These are fundamental needs that every child should have met, and you were no exception. Let's take a journey together. In your mind's eye, imagine yourself as a child, perhaps around the age of 8. Picture yourself at this age, filled with innocence and wonder. Visualize a specific memory or create an image in your mind. Imagine the clothes you were wearing, the activities you were engaged in, and the expressions on your face. See the environment around you and try to capture the sounds, smells, and sensations of that moment. Closer look at this 8-year-old version of yourself. Notice how small and vulnerable you appear. You are a child, full of wonder and curiosity, naturally needy and wanting as you learn and grow. Recognize the fundamental need for love and safety that every child deserves. As you observe your younger self, you may notice a longing in their eyes, a longing to belong, to feel safe, and to be loved. Understand that this is a natural desire for every child, and it reflects the need to be secure and cared for. Imagine yourself approaching your 8-year-old self. In your mind, walk over and kneel beside them. Look into their eyes and place your hands gently on their shoulders. Connect with your younger self through a deep, understanding gaze. Acknowledge their experiences and emotions, and express gratitude for their strength and resilience. Say to them, "Thank you for trying to keep me safe. You don't need to protect me any longer. You helped me survive. Thank you for everything." Reassure them with your presence, letting them know that you are here now to provide the love and protection they need. In your mind, imagine a comforting and safe space for your younger self. Picture a cozy nook with soft cushions, warm blankets, and gentle lighting, a place where they can relax and feel secure. Take the hand of your 8-year-old self and guide them to this space. Feel the warmth and safety it radiates as you approach. When you reach this cozy spot, invite your younger self to settle in. See them wrap themselves in the warmth and security, feeling safe and loved. Notice the relief in their eyes, the sense of peace that begins to wash over them as they find rest in this serene environment. It's time to say goodbye for now. Offer your younger self a gentle kiss on the forehead and wish them sweet dreams. As you step back, observe how the image begins to fade, becoming more distant. Feel any heavy attachment to that part of your being lifted, leaving you with a sense of lightness and freedom. Return to the present moment, knowing that you have put the past to rest. You have acknowledged your inner child, offered them comfort, and allowed them to find peace. As you open your eyes, take a deep breath and embrace the present moment. Feel the strength and resilience within you, knowing that you are not defined by what happened to you, but by who you choose to be. You have the power to decide your path and the values you embrace. You are ready to explore the possibilities of the present, stepping forward into a future filled with positivity and potential. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this meditation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to BellyBreath for more guided meditations. Your support helps us reach more people on their path to healing and self-discovery. Stay connected and continue to nurture your inner peace